Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to explore my favorite summer destination, Prague. Prague is a city of incredible beauty where every corner looks like it's straight out of a picture book. In this video, I'll be showing you some famous spots you should visit. So without further ado, let's get started. So we arrived in Prague around 11 am but our hotel check-in was at 3 pm. So without wasting any time, we dropped our luggage at the hotel and headed straight for a boat ride on the beautiful Vltava river. And you can easily book your tickets from the counter as well as you can get it online. So we bought the tickets directly from the counter. It cost us around €14 per person. This is a perfect way to start your trip as this is going to be very relaxing. You can enjoy the stunning view of the city and also with the help of the audio which is going to be played throughout your boat ride, you will be able to identify few of the iconic spots from there. So I think this is the best way to get a rough idea what to expect from the city. Up next, we booked a 2 hours walking tour and exploring Prague by foot revealed many hidden surprises. During our walking tour, we found some amazing places. Our walking tour started from Old Town and it covered the Jewish quarter and it showed us every corner of the Old Town. It also took us to the Charles Bridge. Overall experience was amazing and we also got to see the astronomical clock and we saw the show as well. During this walking tour, I was so surprised to know that every corner of the city has a story and that amazed me along with the beautiful view. We also walked across the iconic Charles Bridge, known for its artists, street performance and scenic view of the river. So if you're looking for a fewer crowd, which is very rare nowadays, I would suggest to visit early morning. Now walking tour ended in front of the Lennon Wall. For the walking tour, you don't have to pay while you're booking. So at the end of your walking tour, all you need to do is pay the tip to your guide. So our next destination is Prague's mini Eiffel Tower. The highlight of this location was the cable car ride. For this ride you need to buy a ticket. It will cost you around €2 to €3. So it's going to be free if you have a public transport pass. So now we are heading towards the Prague mini Eiffel Tower. If you want to get to the top of the tower, you need to pay €6 to €7. So we bought the tickets from there. The panoramic city view from the top are simply amazing. Now our next destination is Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle complex in the world. It served as the seat of kings, emperors and presidents. So it's free to walk around outside the castle, but if you want to get inside to the cathedral, it will cost you around €10 to €15. So you can actually check the ticket prices online. But don't miss the panoramic view from there. It's amazing. So this iconic tram ride should also be on your bucket list. After that, we went for our Pilsner Urquell beer tour. So this we booked from GetYourGuide and it costed us around €20 per person. This was an amazing experience for us. This was our first brewery tour and it was fascinating to learn about the history and see how traditional Czech beer is made. We also tasted various types of fresh beer, which was a lot of fun. Another interesting stop, which is the dancing house. So this is a very unique piece of modern architecture that stands out among the historical buildings in Prague. If you look at the building, it gives you an impression that the building is dancing. So I think for that reason they have named it as dancing house. After dancing house, we also visited the rotating head of the Francis Kafka sculpture. This is a modern piece of art showing Francis Kafka's head spinning in layers. I've also added this cafe, which is Terasa U Prince cafe. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is one of the best places I have visited while I was in Prague. So from this cafe you get an amazing view of the old town. It offers amazing food, breathtaking view of the old town, incredible and fantastic view of the astronomical clock as well. So yes, I have shared all the places which I feel one must visit when in Prague. I hope you find this video interesting, and also if you have any queries, you can comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer. So guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.